So welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import data from one sheet to another in the Google Sheets. So in here, I'm going to open a spreadsheet. For example, I'm going to just open this new one right here, this untitled document. And I want to import data from another spreadsheet. So if you want to do the same, you can just follow these steps right here. So I'm going to tap on new tab first. Here you can just click on file at the top and then choose import in here. Tap on import. Then this will pop up. So you just need to choose the file that you want to import. Here I'm going to go to my drive, and here let's just find a file to import. Okay, I'm going to just import this one. You can click on the file and then tap on insert. Here you can choose the import location, create new spreadsheet, insert new sheets, on replay or replace the spreadsheet. So I'm going to just click on insert. Then in here you can just tap on import data. Let's just wait, and as you guys can see, now the data has been imported just like that. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.